In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an overdraft in the Barclays app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect during the application, and a few helpful tips to make the process smoother. First, open the Barclays app on your phone and log into your account. Use your usual secure method, whether that's a passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint, and make sure you have a stable internet connection so nothing times out while you're applying. Once you're on the home screen, select your current account. The overdraft feature is linked to your current account, so you'll need to go into that specific account view before you can see the right options. Next, look for the menu that says Manage Your Account Services. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but it's typically near the top of the account screen or in the main account settings. Tap into that menu to see your available features. Within that menu, find the overdraft option and select it. If you don't see it, double check that you're viewing your current account and that your app is up to date. Some features also appear only for eligible account types, so availability can differ. From here, you can apply for a new overdraft or request to increase your existing limit. Before you start, it helps to think about how much you actually need, because lenders generally prefer that you only borrow what's necessary. You may be asked about your income, regular outgoings, and how you plan to use the overdraft. Having those figures in mind can make the process faster and more accurate. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the application. Barclays will carry out eligibility checks based on your financial circumstances. This can include looking at your account history and other information they use to assess affordability and risk. Decisions can be instant, but sometimes they take a little longer. If more details are needed, you'll be prompted in the app. To qualify, you usually need to be over 18, a UK resident, and pass their assessment. Keep in mind that overdrafts are a form of borrowing and can come with interest or charges, so it's a good idea to review the cost information shown during the application. If approved, your arranged overdraft limit will appear in your account details. You can also set alerts in the app to help you track your balance and avoid going beyond your agreed limit. And that's it. You've applied for an overdraft through the Barclays app. Take a moment to review your new limit, understand any fees, and use it responsibly so it supports your day-to-day finances without surprises.